Yeah. So dear student, so today we'll be doing structure union actually. You can see programming. Fine. So yeah, I hope everyone knows what is array. Correct. So what is array? Group of elements with same data type and same name. So which means it should be of same data type. In array, if it is integer, everything should be integer only. Correct. Well declaring. But in structure, it need not be the thing. It can be a different data type also. That is the main difference between structure or array. In array, it is int name will be giving or char name, whatever it is, or int number of 20. Correct. We can't give int char something in, we can't give it, right? But in structure, we can do that. That is the main difference between structure and array. So it is the advanced concept of array. So the keyword here is struct. You can see here struct, right? There is a keyword. Struct space structure name. For example, let's take in a class. Space class. It will be class. Let's take its engineering. Struct space engineering. So engineering class will have a roll number. Correct? So int roll number. Int space roll number. Then what it will have? Character name of student. So those kind of things. If it is employee, char employee name. If it is organization, we will take it as what? The organization name. Correct? And data type is what? Organization will have employees. An employee number. Employee number is what? Integer. Correct? An employee name will be what? Character. So those kind of things. Clear? So that's what been displayed down. As you can see here, int, char and all, no? So different data types are used in this. That is the main important thing. Okay. Yeah. And how to initialize the structure? Struct space structure name space structure variable, or else we can give like this: struct space, what is the structure name? Employee space employee what? This is initialization, accessing the structure. We use a dot symbol in the sense, can you see here the employee one? Correct. If the employee one want to access the employee number, so it should give dot. You can see here employee number is there, no? Employee one, the employee number 1 2 3 4 5, that is his employee number. So if we give dot, we can access it. Simple only. Okay. Yeah. So either we can use that or like this also. Struct space employee. Then what are the initialization of different data types or whatever it is, you can use it here. Then what is here? Employee one is equal to what? This is the employee number. This is the employee name, Hari. Age 29. Salary 25,000. These things. Simple only. Next one. C program to read and print the details of employee using structures. Okay. So same thing. Struct space employee, employee number, employee name. For example, let's take the name of the employee is Hema. Correct? So HEMA. Correct? Only four letters are being used out of 20. Age. Then employee salary. Void main function. Correct? Struct space employee one. This is basically what we already did this thing here, right? Initialization of structure, the same thing. Struct space structure name. And what is employee EMP1? That is a variable name. That same thing only. Then to access the employee number, I use dot. You can see the dot here, no? The dot for accessing it. Then employee one, age 29, salary. Then just to print everything, employee number. This I think everyone knows it. Correct? Same thing. Whatever is here now, this thing you just put it over here. That's it. Correct? Then this one, employee name Hari, that you put it over here. Then employee one age, next one, that you put it over here. Percentage D stands for integer, correct? And slash n stands for new line. F stands for float because we need decimal place also. That's the reason. So that's the thing between structure. And let me just give you an idea about union also. So union is similar to structure. Okay, it is kind of just similar to structure, but it uses a keyword called union. Instead of struct, we use a keyword called union. That's only difference. Okay, yes. But the only problem with union is we can just like structure, we can have any number of members in union, but only one member can have a value at any given time, which means let's take in our mobile phone, we can open different apps, right? Together. If you want, you can use YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever. If you want, you can browse it and we can make it open, no? Correct. Whereas in Union, if you're using, only if you close one app, okay, only if you close the app, you can't have that app in the background only. That time only we can use the Union. Understood? So which means, suppose let us take Instagram is there. It is using 1 GB of our memory. Correct? And let us say YouTube is there. It is using 2 GB of our memory. Suppose if you are using Union and if I'm using Instagram, then I can't have YouTube. Since I have to close the YouTube, the memory will only take that 1 GB. Then if I want to have YouTube, I have to close the Instagram. I have to swipe it up or something. I have to close it and then only we can have the other app. Clear? So this you have to keep it in mind. And the main difference is union keyword. Rest everything is same. Okay, and this also we have to just read and study. So that's the thing. And this. So thank you.